All right. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Accidental Beauty. For those of you who are new, welcome. My name is Laura. I post videos once a week, mainly about makeup and sometimes about hair, fashion, lifestyle, all that good stuff. So if that sounds interesting to you, then please subscribe to my channel and hit that notification button so you get updates whenever I upload a new video. I'm also on Instagram and Twitter. I've got links for all my social media accounts in the description box below, as well as a list and links to all the products that I used on my face for this look. So feel free to refer to all those below. Today I am going to be showing you how I created this very cute, fun, sort of kawaii Valentine's Day look. So if you want to see how I did this, then please keep on watching. Alright, so to start off, I've got my base makeup on. I got my foundation, concealer, and contour bronzer situation. So I'm just going to be doing eyes and the rest of my face, I guess. Anyways, so I'm going to start off by using the Juvia's Place Zulu palette. And I did this look the other day and I really liked it. I thought it would really work for this video, so I'm going to try and recreate it. So I'm pretty much just going to be using these two colors. No, actually these three colors at the bottom, so the pinks and the purple. I personally like to use a smaller brush to apply color and blend it out a little bit, and then a larger brush to blend everything out after. Larger blending brush to blend that out. I think I'm just going to zoom in a little bit more. And I think I'm going to keep this look pretty simple so I can use more dramatic lashes. So I'm going to go back to the smaller brush again, and I'm going to dip into the purple and just apply that kind of on the outer corner of my eyes. And a little bit on the lid as well. I'm currently having some sort of weird reaction on this eye. It's like all bumpy. I don't know what's going on. Hopefully it's not an allergic reaction, but if the color is not applying there properly, that's the reason why. So that's looking really nice. I'm just going to add a little bit more of the pink back into the inner crease area, just to sort of try and add a little bit more like warm pink tones. With my finger, I'm just going to go into this sort of metallic foil duochrome shade and just put that on my lid, pretty much avoiding the outer area, but trying to just kind of blend it together. And like that's pretty much it for the eye look. I'm going to put on some eyeliner and false lashes. And I realized I forgot to put eyeshadow on my lower lash line area, so I'm just going to do that quickly now. I think I'm just going to repeat what I did on the crease area, so I'm going to use the purple towards the outer edge and then the pink towards the inner edge. So I'm just going to use a flat brush for that. The Ardell Mega Volume 250 lashes, and I'm going to use the Duo lash glue. Alright, lashes are on. I'm going to put on some highlighter. So next I'm going to put on some highlighter. So I'm going to use the Cover FX Custom Enhancer Drops in Celestial. I freaking love this packaging. Lipstick on before I do blush, just because I'm going to try out something experimental, and if that doesn't work, then at least I'll be able to get pictures of this look. So I'm going to use the MAC, what do you call it? MAC Satin Lipstick in the shade Pink Nouveau. Alright, so now I'm going to get into the more experimental part of this video. Hopefully this works. I'm going to put some stickers on my face and try something that I've seen on Instagram. You can't even see them, which is fine because they're just there as stencils. So I'm going to be using the Wet n Wild blush in, do we have a shade? In Fantastic Plastic Pink. I started using this blush maybe a couple weeks ago and I really like it. The only thing is it's got glitter in it, which I usually don't want in a blush, but I think it'll work really well with this look. And I really want to go nuts with the blush today. Kind of put these stickers sort of high, so I guess I'm gonna just bring my blush up to kind of like where my eye makeup ends. Just kind of put it all over my face. I'm gonna put a little bit of blush across my nose too, because I think that looks really cute. I'm gonna do one more layer of blush and then take off the stickers. Okay, so it worked. You just can't really see it, so I'm just gonna zoom in Okay, so this is the final look. Overall, pretty simple, pretty easy to do, to be honest. You really don't even need that many supplies or anything like that. And it's a cute little sort of a bit different, a bit avant-garde type of look. And I mean, I've seen this a lot on Instagram, but not super like mainstream type of look. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope you guys have a happy Valentine's Day, and I'll see you in my next video.